I messed up the anatomy on my realistic Mario here, so I am going to show you how I would fix it using a simple Hulk action figurine. Figurines, action figures, they are great references, especially for things that you need help with, light and shadow, posing, um, figure drawing, or in this case, anatomy. That's not my strongest suit. I messed up. It's not my strongest skill set. I messed it up here. And so I'm going to use this tricep here at this angle to get it right. So watch me as I do this. Let's go ahead and erase what I have done here for his tricep. And let's see, do I need to fix the one on the left too? It's not as noticeably bad, but let's get that same pose and see. I think it's about like this angle. All right, so you can see sort of what I was attempting to do, but a little bit off. So I can make this better. Starting on the left, noticing the indention continues up to the shoulder in that tricep. Keeping the lines light because it's more of a shadow than a line. And then it does sort of split open here. But instead of just this open space of an elbow, which looked awkward, we've got looks like the forearm is more messed up than the tricep. Looks like I need to bring that over, and then let's see. Sometimes you just need to completely erase it and start over instead of trying to fix what you already drew. Sometimes trying to fix it is harder than just redrawing completely. There we go. That's better. It does have a piece in here, like a separate muscle, I see. About like that in there. This piece really comes out quite a bit. Mine's not going to be the exact Hulk arm. I don't really want it that way, but I do want it similar. So the elbow is more back here on the edge. All right. Now for the, let's see, for the back, I get to the back. Let me make some, I guess the angle is more like this, isn't it? Just looking, elbow's still a bit off. I think that's right. So that's better. It's definitely better than it was. Oh, let's get this cut into that forearm more. Make that forearm bulge more significant. There we go. That looks better. All right, now we're over here. And let's look at the back. Lots of different muscle groups here. Really, this should be a little higher. Then the bulges here. and have it coming in more. Okay, so then you've got, yeah, this diamond up there. Studying the shapes, breaking it into shapes first. Gotta keep that angle consistent though. It's gonna be helpful to go ahead and do this line that goes down the middle, spine, so you can get the diamond and all the other shapes symmetrical. And this bulges out, comes in. And we've got okay. Now Mario does have a shirt on, but it's so thin and tight. All right, so I'm gonna lighten these up a little bit when I ink them. They're not gonna be this heavy, but to start, that's what I want to make sure I got the lines in the right spots. We've got these muscle strands into the shoulder, comes down into the side of the bicep a bit. Then you've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3. This third big muscle into the elbow. And then forearm coming out. The glove. Yeah, it was too bulging, too big here. Then I need a big, this muscle needs to be bigger coming out. So there we go. Nice, super buff. Now he is totally ripped. Wow. It's going to be less pronounced once I ink it, as you'll see, but at least the anatomy is correct. Now I want to see what Toad would look like if he was that ripped. Somebody should draw that for me and show me. We'll keep him a little less buff than his Mario buddy for now. All right. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Grab your figurines, see how you can use them for your own references, whether it's muscles, clothing, outfits, posing, or whatever. See you next time.